Hi everyone, it's me Ryan here, and today I'm going to do a review of a $21 light from Lazada. To give a brief introduction of the output power of this light, it has 12 watts and 1350 lumens using 192 LEDs, with half of which are being used for warm light and the other are using for cool light. Out of the box, you do get a horseshoe mount that you can attach your camera itself to the light, so you can just screw it into where you will mount your microphone onto your camera. However, the downside is that this camera cannot be powered by USB and only via Sony NP-F series batteries, so do take note about that. At the back of the light, you'll find two knobs used to control the intensity of the warm and the cool light. One is for the cool, the other one is for the warm light. At the center of the two knobs, there are an LED indicator with 4 LED bulbs. Those actually tell you your battery life of your Sony battery, so you know when to charge it or when it's running out of battery. This can be activated via one button at the center below the LED indicator. So, how's the overall build quality of the light? Well, it's a bit subpar, I would say. It's mostly made of plastic, and there's no metal or anything. It doesn't have like very premium feels of big brands who make this type of lights too, like Aperture. However, it does get the job done. The color can range from 3200K to 6000K. Using the light, I find it's quite decent, as it does get the job done for its low cost of just $21 for just the light with free delivery via Lazada. Since you need to buy the battery, I'll recommend you the set which consists of buying the Sony NP750 battery along with a USB charger for that battery. So with the NP750 battery, you can get this light to stay on for quite a long time, as it's a 5000 mAh battery. However, charging does take some time. A set like that would cost you $58 on Lazada. However, if you want to save a bit, you can go for the NP550 battery, which is a 2000 mAh battery compared to the NP750 5000 mAh battery. You'll just get shorter battery life. The output of the light will be the same, as both of them will be delivering the same amount of voltages to the light, just that the time you can use the light for will be affected. Overall, this is a decent key light for videography that will not break your bank, with decent reliability and performance for its price. If you do want something a bit more premium, you can get some lights from Aperture or maybe from other third-party places with more brightness in mind. Like, let's say you want 1000 lumens or you want 1000 watt lights, you can get those, but those will be quite heavy and huge. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.